So you'll make a left turn, you'll go around this gray building, and really tight little areas, new homes here. It's nice, nice. Yep. This is like a blind corner. Go ahead and get it in. Nice job. Turn slow. Good. Go slow. Go around to the right. Be careful. Yes, brother. I like what you're doing. And then you're going to make a right turn, and then I'm going to have you turn around in someone's driveway. Always look through the gate. A video game. Okay. Make that right turn. Make a left turn in this driveway here. This man working. Squeeze that brake. Go up a little bit. And stop here. Good. Put us in reverse. Nice. I want you to see him back up. Go. He's looking. He's checking. I'm staring in the back. Come cut it to the right. See him turn it? Nice. Take your time. Good. Good. You're going to make a left turn back where we came. Hey, if this bringing you value, give it a thumbs up. We're trying to get 20 thumbs up. You're going to make a left turn in right here. Yep, he's looking very careful. And it's about trying to make you better. The good instructors have a wide variety of course, it's nice. And then you want to look through, because sometimes kids on bikes and seniors on those e-bikes come flying through. Nice, 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 nice. Good. Okay, you're going to go straight. You're going to go down to the stop sign and make a left turn. And for any of you learning how to drive, this is it. You know, you need to be watching all these videos, leaving comments. You know, I go live all the time. I want to answer your questions. Why are you watching this? Because I'm a state certified driving instructor. I bring you value because I show you real life experience. And everything we do is geared towards a test. He's got to go up to the stop line, go all the way up, and pause and look. It looks left and right. Make that left turn, brother. Because if we work hard, we can pass. You will make errors, blow stop signs, run a light, hit a curb. If you do that, that's automatic failure. Be careful. This is the dangerous area. Go down to the stop sign. After you stop, make a right. So we going slow. He's covering his brake. You got the guy on the bike. And walk and turn on right turn signal. Please stop. Look at those people. Make eye contact. I'm looking at them. I see her tattoo, his water bottle, her hat. Pause for a second. Thank you, brother. Make that right turn. It was real nice. Real nice. Real. Oh, yes. Okay, brother, do me a favor. I need you to parallel park. Pull up to this white vehicle. Right here. Go up more. Put on your four ways. Okay. Parallel park. Put this in reverse. I want you to see this man's skills. Okay. Turn it all the way to the right. Turn, turn, turn. Yes. He's going in at a 45 angle. Deeper. And then turn back all the way to the left. He's doing this. Always look. Always check. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Put that boy in park. Pass. Okay. Real talk. Do it one more time. Okay. Yep. Put in drive. Take your time. Always look. This is a good parallel park. This is passing. We got a lot of people around here. He's doing it. He's mastering. Very little impact for me. You have to get a little closer to this traverse, a little closer, more to the right, more to the right. Good. Now straighten up. Now he's going to get this good. So he's going to roll straight back. Parallel park. He's cutting it all the way to the right, deep. Now cut back all the way to the left. Turn. Yes. See, he got it. Come on in. Come on in. Make that money. Come on in. Come on in. Go. Bro, put this in drive. Let's go. Yes. Always look. See, people giving us the love, man. All right, we done here. Okay, keep going. I'm gonna have you go around the block one more time. I'll cut off your four ways. You're gonna make a right turn. So this is a very challenging, busy area. If you can master this, you can pass. Yeah, he's gonna go around one more time. And then of course, yes, I thank you. And then I give him the choice with this busy area. I prefer for him to wait until the light changes or when it's clear. I'll let you make the decision. I'm not mad. He looked the right, man, good choice. Woo! That was a great choice. Okay, at this street, a lot of kids turn into the library. Not the library, the street. Yes, this fools a lot of people. So you got to really know depth perception. He's doing really well. It's no joke here. Go in slow. Make that turn. Now, this is the really quiet area. Go around the curve, the boat line, boys in the t-shirts, you know, people walking in here. So I need him to be a defensive driver and just be smart. Of course, people are very reckless and distracted. So he's coming around real nice. Got the ladies with the dog, lady and man. Yep, you're doing great. I'm not mad. You're doing great. He's covering his brake. He's doing everything right. That's that new 2025 or 2026 Equinox. That boy looking good. Turn on right turn signal, big dog.